Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you some items I found recently in the local thrift store. This is a new thrift store for me and it was nice. I found some unexpected finds and I was in there looking for something for my pencil tree and I ended up finding another item that I really wanted. So I thought that I would bring you along with me and show you some of the things that I found. So I'm heading into a new thrift store to see what they have in here today. I'm particularly looking for some scarves or linens and maybe take a peek at a couple other things. So let's go in and check it out. So right away I am seeing the scarves that I was looking for. That's a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but they do have a little bit of a variety here. So I think I'm going to pick one of these up and take it with me as I walk through the store. These shoes are in pretty decent condition. I see several here that I kind of like. There's a nice variety of bikes here. I like to look at baskets for DIY inspiration. This is nice. Here, it's one of those like slabs of wood. It's got a hook on it. Looks like you can hang it. I like this too. This is like that chippy wood look chalk paint. $1.99. That would make a good DIY. I really need to find the Christmas section. I'm sure they have it here. I just haven't come across it yet. This is a nice tray. Also would make a great DIY. I like this container. It kind of reminds me of like a Swiss dot. Kind of nice. Would be nice for flowers or for just to hold some items. Is that like $1.97 clearance and then $1.99 here? No way. Cookbooks are another good item to look at the thrift store. I really like this rooster, but I don't know how much he is. Oh my gosh, my mother had these dishes. Wow. I have found the holiday section. Yay! Look at these great cookie jars. Oh, I'm loving that dog. And then here are some pip berries. This is still fall. There's fall items here. I have some ornaments like this. These are tempting me. I don't really need ornaments. $1.99. But I have some in that style already. Oh, look at this. Look at this vintage tray. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I should get this. By the way, that rooster was damaged and he was $12. Oh, this is going to be better. This will be better for my pencil tree. How much is this? $2.99. Oh my gosh, it's less than the scarf. I'm getting this. You can find yarn at the thrift store. I like this, but I don't want to ruin the display to see the price because I can't see it on here. Oh, I really like this pear too. Oh, this is tempting me. I'm seeing several things in here I like. You could paint this. This is pretty heavy too. It's like a nice substantial size. Oh, I like this. Uh-oh, what am I going to get? I'm not going to get that Santa tray because it actually had a stain on it and I wasn't sure if I could get that out. This is an unexpected find, this mirror. This would be nice. I could do a DIY on this with chalk paint. So I am back and I picked up this blanket because I was actually looking for like a tree skirt for a pencil tree that I purchased. And this was $3.99 and it was actually less than the scarf I originally saw. because I thought, well, if I don't see anything else, the scarf will do. But anyways, I found this, and so this will be my tree skirt for $4. So I decided to pick up this mirror. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, and I think I'm probably going to chalk paint it white, and I'm going to hang it in my hallway. This is just the right size for my front hallway. I did check to see if it already had a hook to hang it with, and it does, so that was perfect. I think for $5, that's a good bargain. I hope you enjoyed my little trip to the thrift store. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more.